Welcome back to my channel Automotive World. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Lexus RX, a luxury SUV that balances performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vehicle stand out. First up, let's talk design. The 2025 RX features a bold and dynamic exterior with sharp lines and a striking spindle grille that really captures attention. The LED headlights add a modern touch, while the sleek profile hints at its sporty performance. Available in a variety of colors, the RX is designed to make a statement on the road. Step inside, and you'll find a luxurious cabin adorned with high-quality materials. The use of leather, wood accents, and soft-touch surfaces create an inviting atmosphere. The spacious interior comfortably seats 5, with ample cargo space that makes it practical for daily use or weekend getaways. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 RX comes with several engine options, including a hybrid variant that provides an impressive balance of power and efficiency. The base engine is a turbocharged 4-cylinder, delivering smooth acceleration and a responsive driving experience. Handling is refined, thanks to the available adaptive variable suspension, which adjusts to road conditions for a smoother ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the highway, the RX provides a confident and composed driving experience. Technology is a major highlight of the 2025 RX. The new Lexus interface offers a user-friendly touchscreen that integrates navigation, music, and more. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, allowing you to stay connected on the go. Safety is also a priority. The RX comes equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to enhance your peace of mind while driving. What sets the 2025 RX apart? For starters, its hybrid option offers excellent fuel economy without compromising performance. Plus, the RX features a unique design philosophy that blends luxury with practicality, making it a versatile choice for various lifestyles. Another standout feature is the quiet ride. Lexus has focused on sound insulation, providing a serene driving experience that enhances comfort, whether you're commuting or taking a long trip. So, is the 2025 Lexus RX the right choice for you? With its stylish design, impressive performance, and advanced technology, it's a strong contender in the luxury SUV market. If you're in the market for a vehicle that combines elegance and practicality, the RX deserves a spot on your list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you consider the 2025 RX? Let us know. Until next time, drive safe.